Hi Adams, this is Miss K and we're on lesson 9 for our ecology unit. I keep saying ecology, but it's not ecology. It's geology. I'm sorry. We did ecology first unit. This is geology, which is rocks. So I gave you the lesson from last time because today we're going to be looking closer at that same chapter that we read lesson 8. So here is lesson 8 again, so you can listen to it again. Number 1, the author states that minerals are the building blocks of rocks. What does this metaphor mean? So think about building blocks. If you're building something with blocks, it's what? Is it what they're made of? Is it that they're important? So think of that metaphor. And then going off on that metaphor, which word fills in the blank? Cotton is the building block of blank. So if minerals are the building blocks of rocks, cotton is the building block of what? You got a quote here. What does the author mean when they say in fact? So in fact, it is called volcanic glass. Is this giving readers more information about obsidian? Is it persuading the readers to take care of rocks? Is it giving an opinion about rocks? Or is it giving a detail that is not related to the other sentence? Got another quote here. We're looking at this phrase here, naked eye. That means the human eye. So what does this sentence mean if naked eye means the human eye? A person can't see the minerals of granite without a microscope. A person can see the minerals of granite by just looking at it. A person can easily break granite apart, or a person must clean granite before they can see the minerals. Number 5, durable means able to last a long time in good condition. Why would it be important to people in prehistoric cultures that a rock for a tool would be durable? So we read about how long ago people made tools out of rocks, especially obsidian. So if obsidian is durable, why would that be a good thing for a tool? Number 6, we're looking at this part of the passage here. The heat from blank determines what kind of rock is created. So use this diagram, use the text. Where is the heat coming from to change these rocks? Number 7, you've got this little passage about Agnes Nyanhango. Why would she polish her sculptures? So at the end here, she talks about how she polishes them. What would this do to them? Number 8, we've got a short passage about the rock cycle. So it's true or false. Rocks stay the same and never change. True or false? The rock cycle is a process that never stops. True or false? Compact means to press together. What part of speech is compact? And here is a sentence. Over long periods of time, the weight of overlying layers compacts the sediments into deeper layers, squeezing them closer together. So it means to press together. Is that a noun, a person, place, or thing? A verb, an action, an adjective describing a noun, or an adverb describing a verb? And then give me an example of compact. Tell me something that is being compacted or something that explains what compact means. And for 12, 13, 14, you're going to choose which word makes sense in the sentence. So we've got the word compact, which we just talked about, and then the opposite, which is spread. So compact means to press together. Spread means to move around. So I press the snow together in my hand to blank the snowball. Many people walking on the same trail blank the dirt, so it becomes very hard. The wind blanked the dandelion seeds in the air. All right. Skills. So we've been practicing this for a couple lessons now, our quotation marks. Here's your anchor chart to help you out. Remember, the quotation marks go around whatever's being spoken. You separate them with a comma and then end it with your tag. If the tag comes first, same thing. You separate it with a comma, put quotation marks around what's being spoken. And if it's in the beginning and the end, same thing. Quotation marks, comma. The tag is here, comma to separate it again, and then quotation marks around the other spoken sentence. So for each item, you're going to rewrite the sentence and you're going to insert the commas and quotation marks where they belong. Make sure you look at this example and the anchor chart above. Okay, your second section, we're going to talk about the root word rupt. So we learned corrupt, erupt, rupture, disrupt, abrupt, bankrupt, and interrupt. Some of these we learned, some of them are new, but you probably have heard them before. So rupt means to break. So erupt is to burst forth, to burst forward. Rupture is to break or burst. Disrupt is to cause disorder. Abrupt means sudden. So they all have something to do with the word break. You are going to read these sentences and choose the word that best fits to complete the sentence. So the science lesson was blank when the fire alarm went off. They blank a serious discussion by making jokes and acting silly. A blank of geysers releases hot steam in water. In our last section, you're going to work on some spelling words. So this is just to help you. I know it looks scary, but it's not. So all your spelling words are here. The definitions are here, and then they also gave you an example sentence. So you're going to choose the correct spelling word that fits into the sentence. So number 4, he left in a blank way without saying goodbye. She wrote a blank focusing on how earthquakes occur. The tennis player defeated his blank in a heated match. And then the queen is the blank of her kingdom. As always, please make sure you're using those examples, using those anchor charts, and of course, get on Zoom if you need any help. Have a great day. We will see you next time. Goodbye, Adams.